Now, the reason why I decided to make this video today is because one of my friend's friend received an unemployment letter from EDD stating that she would be receiving $266 per week. However, when she certified for 2 weeks, unemployment indicated that she had excessive earnings and so therefore was not entitled to unemployment money that week. So what I did was I went on the unemployment website and find out exactly which part of your wages is deductible by unemployment. Now, per the EDD website, the first $25 if you earned $100 or less are not counted or not deductible. If you earned more than $100, then the first 25% of your wages are not deductible. So let's go ahead and look at a real case. Now, she has a weekly benefit amount, her WBA, of $266 per week. Now, for a week ending March 28th, 2020, she earned $397.90. All right. Now, clearly you can see that her weekly benefit amount, $266, is way less than $397.90. However, unemployment obviously does not penalize you on having part-time work up to a certain point where you simply make too much money. Go ahead and take out your calculator because we're going to be doing a little bit of calculation. Now, $397.90 times 25% would be $99.47. Now, that means that $99 is free, which aka not deductible. All right. Now, you would take $397.90 and you minus it by the 25%, which is not deductible, and your number, you would get $298.42. And this $298 is deductible by unemployment. Therefore, when you take her weekly benefit amount of $266 minus by the 75% of her wages that is deductible, which is $298.42, equals to $32.42 over the amount. Now, what that means is that she made over $32, so therefore she did not qualify for that week. Now, if you wanted to work backward and know, kind of get a sense of how much you have to work over the amount in order to not get unemployment, this is how you do it. All right. So her weekly benefit amount is $266. So if she made $1 less, which is $265, she would qualify for $1 of unemployment money. And on top of that, she would get this $600 on top of that under the CARES Act, starting March 29th all the way through July 25th. All right. So we would take $265 divided by 3. And why you divide by 3 is because you know that $265 is 75%. All right. So you would get $88.33. Now you would take $88.33 times 4. And the reason why you times 4 is because $88 is the 25% that is not deductible. When you take 88 times 4, you get $353.32. That means if she made $353 $53.32 or less, she would qualify for unemployment money. Now, if she made exactly $353.32, and her weekly benefit amount is $266, she would get $1.01. All right. So let's do an easier calculation, just so I know that you're following. Let's pretend that your weekly benefit amount is $450. Now, you earned part-time from your employer $600 for that week. You would not be getting any unemployment money because you're over the amount if you do the calculations right. And what you would do, again, is you would take $600, times it by 75%, because 75% is deductible. So, and that would take you to, and let me go ahead and do it here for you, 600 times 0.75. And go ahead and bear with me just for a little bit. Whoops. Excuse me there. Oh, my chubby fingers. All right. So apparently the calculator is not cooperating, but you do know that if you earn $600, if you do your calculations right, you do not qualify for any unemployment money. However, if you only earned $599 and your weekly benefit amount is $450, after your calculations, you would get 75 cents in regular unemployment money plus the $600 on top of that, given that the week that you certified is between week ending April 4th through week ending July 25th. Now, with that said, I'm not encouraging you to falsify your information and misreporting your wages by lowering it just to get unemployment money and or just to get the extra $600 stimulus from the CARES Act. If you do lie or withheld information to the department, there is a penalty for it, and it's called a false statement. Now, if you want to know more about false statement, or if you misreported something and you want to know what the penalty is, go ahead and find my video on false statement. I'm going to be making that tomorrow, and I can talk more in depth about that. Now, the last thing that I want to cover in regards to question number 6 is if you're receiving any sort of pension, severance pay, sick pay, any type of money from your employer or anywhere else, you are required to report that to unemployment under section number 6. If you're an actor, an actress, if you do credit card processing, if you receive some sort of residual pay for commercials, you would have to report that under question number 6. Now, in regards to hours worked, you would mark it 0 hours worked. However, you would be reporting the residual pay when you received it, not when you worked like wages, but when you received it. So let's go ahead and do a scenario. Let's say you're an actor and you're in a Jack in the Box commercial back at 2016. Now, every time you do the commercial plays on, you get a residual pay. And let's say you get a residual pay at the end of the month, every 25th of the month, all right? So 25th of the month is on a Saturday. So week ending April 25th, you would have to report that residual pay. Now, if you receive the residual pay, let's say on April 15th, you would have to report this residual pay on week ending April 18. All right. And in regards to severance pay and all the other pay, I'm going to do a separate video. So go ahead and click on that video if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching and good luck. Thank you guys. Bye.